this is our recap video for our Charleston workshop from November 17th. I'm Lindsay.
I'm Bailey.
And I was following for this video.
And I was leading.
Yep.
So we did Charleston basic, connected up, kick-throughs hand to hand. So yeah, we're gonna go through that.
Yep. So basic footwork we did starting with vanilla. So we did tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step. Then we added some kicks.
Kick and kick step, tap, kick step, kick and kick step, tap, kick step, kick and kick step. We talked about staying low and having a pulse. Bum, bum, ba, bum, ba, da, do, ba, da. Okay.
So that's basic. We will do it together now.
5, 6, 7, and tap and kick step, kick and kick step. Da, da, ba, ba, ba.
We're just letting our hands freely move.
And we're pretty like 180 degrees from one another,
And close to each other.
and close to each other. Okay, so the first move we did was a kick through, and I'm gonna start this way so we can see the prep. I'll do basic on top. 5, 6, 7, and basic. Ha, boop, ha, ba, da, prep and kick, kick through, kick through, ha, ha, do, da.
That's the kick through. Then from there we did a transition into hand to hand.
So, to get into hand to hand, basic, ha, ha. Start with a kick through, prep, kick through, kick, hey, ha, ha. Leads, we stall on our left foot to get into it. We stall on our left inside foot to get out of it.
And follows, you should be feeling that your momentum continues so that you continue rotating, and then we switch off.
Yes, so we'll do it one more time.
Yep.
Maybe from this way. Stall, oop, stop, oop.
So I'm waiting for this compression and tension to build. Not
Yeah.
anticipating.
And we talked about having some presence in that connection there.
Yeah. That was the basics. Yay.